Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best car mud flaps in this video? I will show you the top 5 best car mud flaps to buy right now in your budget. I made this list based on my personal opinion and on my research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more to find out more information about these products. You can check out the links down in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest technology video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Item number 5 is 4 pieces /set new energy car mud flaps. Specifications. Brand name, Fuckup. Origin, CN origin. Item type, Mudguards. Item diameter, 16 cm. Item height, 22.5 cm. Item length, 32 cm. Material type, PP. Item weight, 0.6 kilograms. Item width, 10.5 inch. Model year, 2021. Item number 4 is mud flaps for Haval H6 2021. Specifications. Brand name, Alcarson. Material type, PP. Item type, Mudguards. Item weight, 0.6 kilograms. Special features, protect cars from mud and sand. Model name, H6 2021. Model year, 2021. As item number 3, we've selected mud flaps for VW Touareg. Specifications. Brand name, Zuki. Item diameter, 1 inch. Item height, 1 inch. Item length, 1 inch. Material type, high-grade semi-rigid ABS plastic. OEM no, none. Item type, Mudguards. Item weight, half a kilogram. Special features, decoration. Item width, 1 inch. Item number 2 is full cover mudguards for Toyota. Specifications. Brand name, Our Life. Origin, CN origin. Item diameter, 5 inch. Item height, 10 inch. Item length, 10 inch. Material type, ABS. Item type, Mudguards. Item weight, 1 kilogram. And finally, item number 1 in our list is the Rally Sport Universal Mud Flaps. Specifications. Brand name, Zuki. Item diameter, 0 inch. Material type, high-grade PP plus TPO plastic. Molded splash quantum type, Mudguards. Item weight, 1 kilogram. Special features, protect.